Introduction. Vlogging is becoming increasingly more popular, and there has never been a better time to start a vlog. People really enjoy watching high-quality vlogs, and some vloggers have subscribers in the millions. But you don't need millions of subscribers to make money from vlogging. There are many vloggers that have a lot less subscribers that make a full-time income and more from their vlogging activities. What could be better? Doing something that you love and recording it to share with the world and making money at the same time. This is more than a dream. It can be your reality if you follow the advice provided in this training. In this training, you will discover what a vlog really is, some great and profitable ideas for starting a vlog, how to start your new vlog with maximum impact, and how to promote your vlog so that you increase your subscriber numbers and your potential to make money. We have answered all of the most common questions about vlogging in this training and provided you with a step-by-step plan to create a successful and profitable vlog. You need to take action and be totally committed to your new vlog. It's going to take some time and effort to get where you want to be. We have left no stone unturned in this training. You will know exactly what is expected of you in the highs and lows of vlogging. Consistency is everything with vlogging, as you will discover as you watch through this training. Once you have watched this training, you will have everything you need to start your journey to successful vlogging. So we recommend that you watch this training in full first, and then go back to the start and follow the recommended action steps. We wish you every success with your new vlog.